Hey foodies, it's time to elevate your burger game. I'm going to show you how to make the best Smashburger right at home. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to regular burgers. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk beef. You'll need some quality ground beef, preferably 80/20ths blend. This ratio gives you the perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. Roll your beef into roughly quarter-pound balls. Don't worry about being too precise here, just make sure they're nice and round. Alright, heat up your skillet or griddle cast iron is ideal. You want it scorching hot. While that's heating up, let's get our toppings ready. Classic Smashburger toppings are simple. Pickles, onions, lettuce, and American cheese. But feel free to get creative. You can add jalapenos for a spicy kick, or perhaps some avocado slices for a creamy texture. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about making the burger your own. Now here's the magic moment. Place your beef ball on the hot skillet and use a sturdy spatula to press it down firmly. You want it to be super thin, about a 1/4 inch thick. Hold for 10 seconds to get that beautiful crust. Season with salt and pepper, and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the edges are crispy. Flip it over with confidence, top with a slice of cheese, and let it melt. This only takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Now let's toast those buns. Butter the insides and place them on the skillet until they're golden and crispy. Assembly time. Spread some mayo on the bottom bun, then layer your lettuce, tomato, and pickles. Place your cheesy smash patty on top, followed by those caramelized onions. Cap it with the top bun, and there you have it, the ultimate Smashburger. Take a big bite and savor that crisp, juicy goodness. It's a symphony of textures and flavors. Perfection. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me here at Nourish Nest for more deliciousness. See you next time, and happy cooking. Remember, the key to a great Smashburger is in the details. From the quality of the beef to the way you press it down on the skillet, every step matters. Don't rush the process. Take your time to ensure each patty is cooked to perfection. And let's not forget about the buns. A well-toasted bun can make all the difference, providing that perfect crunch to complement the juicy patty. So, don't skip this step. Another tip is to experiment with different types of cheese. While American cheese is a classic choice, you can also try cheddar, Swiss, or even blue cheese for a different flavor profile. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making a double Smashburger? Simply stack 2 patties on top of each other for an extra meaty experience. Just make sure to adjust your toppings accordingly to balance out the flavors. Lastly, don't be afraid to customize your burger to your liking. Add some bacon for a smoky flavor, or perhaps some sautéed mushrooms for an earthy touch. The beauty of making Smashburgers at home is that you can tailor them to your taste. So gather your ingredients, fire up that skillet, and get ready to enjoy the ultimate homemade Smashburger. Happy cooking and bon appetit!